It's Harry here from West South Africa, and today we take a look at the Rust Stop Primer. It's active corrosion protection and primer for metal surfaces. It's got good adhesion properties on a wide variety of surfaces. Now, the drying time on this is 10 to 15 minutes. It's reddish brown in color, but before you can utilize this product on a metal surface, you need to prep it first. So make sure to remove the excess dust with either a steel brush or with sandpaper. Just make sure that there's no loose rust on your metal surface. Make sure to shake your can before use, and then you can just apply it. Remember, once you've done it, turn it upside down to make sure that the excess paint free up the nozzle. And drying time on this, like I said, is 10 to 15 minutes. Depends on how thick you spray it. Once it is dry, you can just paint over it. I'll show you now. So once it's dry, now you can just paint over it with any 1K or 2K paint, and there it is perfect. So the temperature range of this is up to 80 degrees Celsius, and for short periods of time 140 degrees. Rust Stop Primer is one for you.